Hello, Henry. Miss Oddbod wants to see you in her office.
Oh, great. That's all I need. Oh, whatever it wasn't my fault.
Oh, no, Henry, you haven't done anything wrong today. I've got someone here who wants to meet you. This is Mr. Snapshot from the Big Book of Weird and Wacky Records.
Hi there, Henry. Call me Sam. We think you're about to break a record.
Me? What record?
Well, according to my notes, you got your hiccups at 9:30 this morning, and you've been hiccuping at a constant rate ever since. We estimate that you have hiccuped 9,389 times.
4 more, and you've got the town record.
You mean I could be a record breaker?
3 more to go. So, we need a picture of you for next year's cover, and there's £50 of prize money too.
Oh, wow! I'm going to be rich and famous!
Let's go outside, shall we? I want to get a photo of that record-breaking hiccup. Whenever you're ready, hiccuping Henry.
Any minute now! I can feel it! It's on its way!
I love it when he hiccups.
What? There's a frog in my trousers! Ah! There's a frog in my trousers! What did you do that for, worm? Oh, no!
Oh, Peter, you've got rid of Henry's hiccups.
Yes! He said a frog would get rid of my hiccups, so I thought it would work for him.
Better luck next time, Henry.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I'll get you, Henry!
Attention shoppers! A little boy who answers to the name of Stuck-Up Steve has lost his mummy. He's hiding behind a stuffed giraffe in the toy department.
Gotcha!
Attention shoppers! With the 2 ugliest girls in the world, please report to the stationery department, where they will receive a complimentary paper bag to cover their faces.
Uh-oh, time to go! Wait a minute!
Attention! There's a thief!
Henry! Just you wait till your parents hear about this! Don't you butt me, Henry. We've had quite enough nonsense from you for one day. Honestly, I have never been so humiliated in all my life.
It was all Henry's fault, Mummy.
Yes, of course it was, Popsicle.
Oh, glad to see they're removing the riffraff from this store. Yeah, riffraff.
Robot rebels to the rescue!
Henry! No! shot, Henry.
Happy birthday!
Oh, Peter, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I used different coloured thread to perfectly match your hair.
It's wonderful. Oh, I'm going to hang it up here so everyone can see what a lovely, talented and thoughtful son I've got. And shall I open your present now, Henry?
Oh, yeah!
Henry, I wonder what this could be. Would you like to open it, Henry? It was your reward from the department store after all.
Oh, thanks, Mum. Yay! Yeah!
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'll get you, Henry! The secret is to take your enemy by surprise.
We're all wet. And we're wearing our best clothes.
Oh, you're dry. Now, who wants to have a go?
Me! Oh, look, here comes Granny and Grandad.
Mum? Dad?
Uncle Henry's been showing us his old bubble blaster.
Oh, that's nice.
Surprise, Grandma!
Oh, you're still horrid, Henry.
Henry! Something's burning!
Crispy pizza, anyone?
Hopeless, Henry. Yeah, hopeless, Henry.
And horrid. I can't think why you want to marry him, Margaret.
Oh, don't you worry. Give me a few weeks. I'll soon have him trained. Coffee, Henry! Good boy. Sit, Henry. How about a toast to the happy couple? The happy couple! Smile, Henry.
Margaret, do you take this man to be your lawful wedded husband?
Of course I do. Go on. Wait, not yet.
Henry, do you take this woman to be your awful wedded wife?
He does. Surprise, Uncle Henry! I hate you, Henry! Yeah, I hate you, Henry!
Thank you.
Is he all right? I think he's dead. Are you dead, Henry? Not if you are. Henry! Henry!
It's okay. None of it happened. We're not married.
Married? Yuck! I'd rather marry a toad.
I'm sure you will.
Oh, I hate you, Henry. I'll get you for this, Henry. Henry? Will you play with me, Henry?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'll get you, Henry! You leave Bunny alone.
Eureka! That's it! You're just a wet, nappy crybaby poopy pants.
Give Bunny back.
Nappy boy!
hope it's rocky today.
Me too.
Run along, Runt. Now, Peter, today I want you to carry my bag, do my own work, write me a sick note, and wear this ridiculous hat. That all right with you? Thought so. You really are a good friend, you know, Peter.
Thank you.
Thank you, what?
Thank you, sir.
Well, if it isn't Bossy Bill.
So you don't mind me using your brother as a chair now?
Be my guest. What's the point in sticking up for someone who carries this around with him?
Hey, look at this, everyone. It's a cuddly wuddly bunny. What's that? Oh, you want to play with Petey Weetie? What's up?
Peter's head has gone all red.
Huh?
Give me my money back!
Not the air!
That's gonna hurt.
Now then, let's be... Peter! What are you doing with that spoon?
Well, I've got to hand it to you, Worm Boy. For the first time in your existence, you have truly impressed me.
Thank you, Henry.
But that doesn't mean I'm going to be nice. And remember, never bother another boy's bunny, Bill.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
I'll get you, Henry!
Somewhere.
Bye, Dad. Have a lovely day at Tingly Tourist Poshes.
Bye, Peter. Oh, look at that. I'll be late for work by the time I get this lot off.
Snow removal's at your service, Dad.
Oh, thank you, Henry. Well, thank you, Henry. That's very helpful.
My pleasure, Dad.
Here's 50 pence to go towards your pocket money.
Oh, well, thanks, Dad. How would you like to earn 20p, Peter?
Ooh, yes, please, Henry. All done, Henry.
Now that's what I call a snowman.
Snow blob, more like.
You're just jealous because I've got more snow than you. And a better snowman.
Whatever.
That's not a snowman, that's a snow baby.
It's a snow girl, actually. Yeah, snow girl.
Oh, a snow girl? Ugh, what a waste of snow.
And she is going to win the prize.
Prize? What prize? What prize?
Oh, you don't know about the prize, Henry? Yeah, the prize, Henry.
No, I do not know about the prize. So are you going to tell me or not?
No. No.
Tell me, or Miss Frost for brains gets it.
You wouldn't.
Oh, I would.
All right, then. The builder of the best snowman gets
Built a what?
Build the best snowman, of course. Gotcha, Henry.
Very funny, bogey brain. Now, if you'll excuse me. I'm going to make the biggest, best snowman ever. Hey, where's all my snow gone? Stop thief!
Thanks for the snow, Henry.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I'll get you, Henry!
Miss Oddbod, I think someone's in there.
Hello! This is Miss Oddbod speaking. Is anybody in there?
I heard a shout and then a crash. I'm sure it came from in there.
Fine, Miss Battleaxe. Tell her to get the key from my office.
Yes, miss. Do you want me to take the posters for you?
No, I'll put them in the classroom. Hurry!
All right, then.
Strange. The key should be here.
Look! A key! Could that be it?
Aha!
When they go into the storeroom, we can sneak out.
Not yet. There's something else we need.
What's going on? What's that? Henry's poster! The plan worked! We got it back! Now I'm supposed to destroy it! Supposed to destroy it? That's what I said! But if Henry thinks I'm going to do what he tells me to do, he's got another thing coming! Yeah. You are?
The noise you heard must have come from the party, William.
Oh, sorry, Miss Oddbod.
I still don't understand how that water got everywhere.
We did it!
Miss Oddbod and I have had a chance to review all of your posters. Well done, everyone.
Oh, please, miss! I found this poster in the hall. It wouldn't be fair if it was left out.
Oh, thank you, Margaret.
It's Henry's.
Oh, no! She double-crossed you, Henry.
Just like you said she would.
Henry, could you come up here, please? Well, Henry, we've decided to give you the first prize.
Congratulations, young man.
That's my poster! I was double-crossed! You are? It's not! Yeah!
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'll get you, Henry!
Henry, you're ahead.
Yes! Peter, you're ahead! Yes!
It's neck and neck! Hey, Margaret! Margaret!
Are you talking to me, Buster?
You owe me, Margaret.
Do I? Whatever for? Oh, look, Margaret! It's raining sweets!
Payback time, Margaret.
Oh, silly me! I nearly forgot to vote for you, Henry.
go.
You lose, worm!
Why, Peter, whatever are you doing out here?
Miss Oddbod, could I ask you a question?
Of course you can, Peter.
Which name do you like best? Tiddles or Buster?
That's 47, 48, 49 votes for Buster!
Yes! You haven't won yet.
Well, how many votes did the worm get?
That's 45, 46, 47, 48 votes for Tiddles. And one more makes 49.
I demand a recount!
Buster! Tiddles! Oh, you do look sweet.
Oi, mashed potato brain! Who are you talking to?
Obviously not you, turnip head.
That's Buster! You've got Buster!
No, I haven't. This is Fifi.
That's Tiddles.
No, it's not. It's Fifi. She's living with us now.
But I don't understand.
Ugh. Watch and learn, pea brains.
Tiddles is a girl?
Yeah, Buster was a girl! What's so funny?
Well, I suppose the question now is, what are we going to call this lot?
Yeah!